Hello everyone. Today in this session, we will discuss the remaining questions based on nutrition and respiration topics. Hope you enjoyed the first part. In the second part, the first question is the energy currency of the cells in biology. Option A DTP, B PDP, C ATP, D DDT. In the video, we have studied the energy currency of the cell is ATP. So the answer will be answer C, ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. The second question is which of the following statements are true about respiration? First, during inhalation, ribs move inward and diaphragm moves upward. Second, the gases exchange actually in the alveoli. Third, hemoglobin has greater affinity for CO2 than oxygen. Fourth, alveoli increase surface area for the exchange of gases. So there are 4 statements and we have to choose the correct statements about respiration. तो आपने क्या पढ़ा है कि इन्हेलेशन यानी जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो रिब केज में एरिया इंक्रीज़ कर जाता है, यानी रिब्स आउटवर्ड आती हैं और डायफ्राम डाउनवर्ड जाता है. तो ऑप्शन ए गलत है. सेकंड ऑप्शन, द गैसेस एक्सचेंज एक्चुअली इन द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, द गैसेस एक्सचेंज एक्चुअली टेक्स प्लेस इन द एल्वेओलाई, ये सही है. हेमोग्लोबिन हैज़ ग्रेटर एफिनिटी फॉर ऑक्सीजन नॉट फॉर CO2, ये गलत है. फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट, एल्वेओलाई एक रेस्पिरेटरी सरफेस है और उसका एरिया क्या होता है, ज़्यादा होता है, यानी स्टेटमेंट 2 और 4 सही है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी, that is 2 and 4 statement. The third question is which of the following statements are correct? First, pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Second, fermentation occurs in aerobic respiration. Third, fermentation occurs in mitochondria. Fourth, fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration. And options are A, B, C, D. We have to choose the correct option. So first, pyruvate. During glycolysis, glucose breaks into pyruvic acid, that is pyruvate. And it can be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Yeast is a unicellular fungus, and we know that in yeast, anaerobic respiration produces ethanol and carbon dioxide. So the first option is correct. First statement is correct. Second is fermentation. That is, what is fermentation? You have studied that fermentation is the breakdown with the help of enzymes secreted by microorganisms. So fermentation is a type of anaerobic respiration. So statement 2 is wrong. Third, fermentation occurs in mitochondria, it is also statement wrong statement. And the fourth, fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration. So statement 1 and 4 are correct. So option A 1 and 3, option B 2 and 4, option C 1 and 4, and D 2 and 3. The correct answer will be option C. Question 4. The digestive system includes in humans first, alimentary canal, A, alimentary canal, B, digestive glands, C, none, and D, both A and B. We know that the digestive system in human beings include alimentary canal and associated digestive glands, salivary glands, gastric glands, etc. So the correct answer will be option D. Question 5. In which of the following followings, the food is broken down outside the body and then absorbed? First, option A, mushroom, green plants, amoeba. B, yeast, mushroom, bread mold. C, paramecium, amoeba, cuscuta. D, cuscuta, lice. We know that in saprophytic mode of nutrition, the microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, they decompose the food and then absorb it into the body. So the correct answer will be option B, that is yeast, unicellular fungus, mushroom, and bread mold, multicellular fungus. So B is the correct answer because all of the organisms are fungi, they are decomposers. Question 7. Which of the following increases in muscle cells in animals when they are lacking of oxygen? Lacking of oxygen, option A, CO2, B, lactose, C, lactic acid, D, uric acid. As we know that in muscles of the animals during anaerobic respiration, that is lacking of oxygen, they produce lactic acid. So the correct answer will be option C. Respiration involves option A, breathing, B, cellular respiration, C, both and A and B, and D, only A. The correct answer will be C, breathing and cellular respiration. These two make up the respiration process. Question 9. During respiration in humans, the exchange of gases take place in option A, bronchi, B, alveoli, C, bronchioles, D, trachea. The correct answer will be alveoli. These are small sac-like structures present in the lungs where the main exchange of gases take place. Question 10. Which of the following is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? It is a very important question. So in human respiratory system, first of all, nostril. Options are A, nostril, larynx, pharynx, trachea, lungs. B, nostril, larynx, pharynx, alveoli. C, larynx, nostrils, pharynx, lungs. And D, nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, alveoli. The correct answer is option D. First of all, nostril, then through the nostril nasal passage के थ्रू कहाँ एयर आती है? एक कॉमन पॉइंट पे आती है, फैरिंक्स के बाद कहाँ जाती है? वॉइस बॉक्स, दैट इज़ लैरिंक्स. फिर कहाँ जाती है? वाइंड पाइप, दैट इज़ ट्रैकिया. एंड फाइनली कहाँ जाती है? एल्वेओलाई. ये आप प्रीवियस वीडियोस को अगर स्टडी कर लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं, तो आपको ये सारे आंसर्स आएंगे. इसलिए आप मेरे पहले वीडियोस को भी देख लेंगे जो कि इस टॉपिक से रिगार्डिंग है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस टेक्स प्लेस इन लाइसोसोम, साइटोप्लाज्म, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, डी, both B and C. Glycolysis means breaking of glucose molecules into pyruvic acid. It takes place in the cytoplasm, so the correct answer will be option B. Question 12. In amoeba and earthworm, respiratory organs are option A, trachea, cell membrane, B, cell membrane, moist skin, option C, moist skin, trachea, and D, none of these. The correct answer will be option B, for amoeba, cell membrane, and for earthworm, moist skin. B will be the answer. Question number 13. Respiratory organs in insects and fishes. Option A, spiracles and gills, B, moist skin and lungs, C, trachea and lungs, D, cell membrane and gills. So the correct answer will be spiracles and gills, spiracle and gills. Spiracles and gill will be the correct answer. Actually in insects, the holes present on the surface are the spiracle and the tube is the trachea. So spiracle and trachea are the respiratory organs in insects, and gills will be for the fishes. So actually spiracles and trachea, these matlab A and C are the correct options here. So you can understand the correct answer will be spiracle and trachea for insects and gills for fishes. Question number 14. The photosynthesis in a plant is not taking place during the daytime of the plant is releasing. If the plant is releasing, sorry, mistake is here. If the plant is releasing, अगर plant क्या release कर रहा है जिससे पता चल रहा है कि photosynthesis नहीं हो रही है, तो आप क्या जानते हैं? ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट टेक CO2 एंड रिलीज ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन ए वाटर वेपर, ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सीजन, ऑप्शन सी CO2 एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. तो प्लांट क्या रिलीज करने लगा जिससे कि लग रहा है कि फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हो रहा है? तो आपने क्या पढ़ा है कि ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम प्लांट टेक CO2 and releases oxygen. The net gaseous exchange, that means they take CO2 and release oxygen. तो अगर वो CO2 ही रिलीज कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स वो फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हो रही है उसमें. तो सही आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? आंसर सी. क्वेश्चन 15. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू हैव ए मच हायर ब्रीदिंग रेट? मैन एक टेरेस्ट्रियल ऑप्शन है, बी एक्वाटिक एनिमल, सी डॉग terrestrial animal, D sparrow, it is also a terrestrial animal. तो ब्रीदिंग रेट किस में फास्टर होता है? एक्वाटिक एनिमल में, इसलिए ऑप्शन बी जो है आपका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस, 15 क्वेश्चंस फॉर द टॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड रेस्पिरेशन. देयर आर सम प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक्स, सॉरी फॉर दैट. होप यू एन्जॉयड द सेशन and please go through all the MCQs because they are all important questions. Thanks for watching the video.